Hi besties, welcome to my Sunday reset, a gentle way to prepare for the week ahead while prioritizing self-care and healthy habits. You know those tasks that you keep delaying? In a few days it just becomes unmanageable and you're just so stressed. So what I started to do is each day I set a timer of 30 minutes and I will just pick one task that has the priority that day, focus on it for 30 minutes long until my timer goes off.
Our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
So I really want to refresh my day for hair, just delay my hair wash day, so we have to do something with it. So I'm going to show you exactly how I refresh my hair. I recently got the Amika blowout brush because towards the end of summer I cut my bangs and they were really short, so I didn't know how to style them, and I was seeing this all over on TikTok, so I went ahead and bought it. And since then, oh my god, I'm not even touching any other hot tool that I have, because I feel like this is so gentle, not too harsh on your hair. And of course also never forget to apply some hair oil. This is the bonding oil by Olaplex. Also acts like a heat protector, just so easy to use. You just tick on the back like that and you just need a tiny bit. And to really hold my curls even more, I'm gonna use also some rollers. Okay, so now it's time for some skincare, and later on I'm also gonna put some makeup on because I really do feel like 2025 I wanna look after myself more often. Even if I'm working my 9 to 5 fully from home, I still wanna look put together and cute. I feel like there is no other opportunity than just a brunch or a date night, which is almost like a few times a month. So I want to look after myself and feel cute and pretty more often. Even if I'm staying home, I am gonna put some makeup on, probably like a no makeup look or just like a clean girl look, but I am gonna do something and I'm gonna put the effort for myself to just look in the mirror and feel pretty. So if you are in a similar situation like me and you're someone who just loves to play around with makeup, feel free to just put it on even if you're staying at home. So yeah, this year is all about feeling and looking pretty and just doing whatever needs to be done for you to feel the happiest and most confident version of yourself. So the past 2 years I've been obsessed with gelix nails and I feel like I've mastered it, so I do want to enjoy my natural nails this year more as well. So today I wanted to do some pink nails. I'm gonna be using this one from Pink Gelac. It is in the color Sweet Pink. So I'm gonna prep my nails as usual first, and after my nails are done I'm gonna take off my rollers because I'm really excited to see how they turned out.
a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
I am finally done. I'm gonna first tidy up the mess that I have created, and after that I'm gonna take off my rollers. Another rule for 2025 that whatever is gonna take me less than 1 minute, I'm gonna do immediately. Definitely try out this 1 minute rule and see how it goes. Sunday reset is not just a routine, it's a form of self-care, bringing balance, calm, and intention to your week. I hope this inspires you to create your own version. Thank you for being here with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!